The objective of this lesson is to be able to understand the LEN formula in Excel. And as its name suggests, LEN is the short name for length. So basically what it will do, it will allow you to know how many characters you have in a cell, for example. And this is useful because you can combine this LEN formula with other formulas like mid, etc. to be able to do some text operations. And I'm going to put a link in the description for an example on how to do this, as well as the mid formula. So let's start and deep dive into it. So here I have a few examples. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have 6 characters. I'm going to do equal lengths or len. And then you open the parentheses, you select your text, close the parentheses, enter. And as you can imagine, you'll have 6 characters. Now you need to know that if you have other characters, like for example a space, like anything, an and, a dash, this will be counted in the number of characters. And no matter if the space is in the middle like this case or afterwards, it will get counted. Let's try it out and then you'll see. Equal len, I open the parentheses, select this text, and then I close the parentheses, and then I do enter. So here you can see that there are only 3 characters, but there is a space here in the middle. So this is why it counted 4 characters. And last, we're going to try it on a piece of text, and then we do this, and we get 6 characters also. You can also do it by hard coding some text. So if I do ABC here in double quotation mark, I close the bracket, I will get 3 characters.